Hello friends of Global Peace, let's talk on Fepais Foundation. I'm David Brian Mendez Hernandez, and in this video we will learn how to make a robot dog. So, the materials that we are going to need to make this robot is a toothbrush, a 3 volts bottom cell battery, a cell phone vibrator motor. You can get it from a phone that now isn't working. It's important to leave these tiny cables to have it working. Then an adhesive tape and a glue stick. And to decorate our insect robot, we will need, for example, a color sheet and some moving eyes. What we're going to do is grab the toothbrush and cut off the head. So then we are going to grab the phone vibrator motor that we carefully removed, and we will take a piece of adhesive tape. We are going to place this tape in the positive cable of the motor. It's important to leave a metal looking part of the cable. That's what will touch with the battery. We identify the positive cable with a red cable. Now that we have this, we take the color sheet and now we make the body of the insect we want to make. In my case, I will be making a spider. Now that we have the body of our insect, we will take the battery and place this like you are watching right now. If you need, you can place some more tape, and then we will grab another piece of tape and place it in this. As you can see, now it is working. So now that we have that here, we take more tape and paste this in here. If you need, you can take more tape. And now you can see it is working. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. Let us know the insect you made and send us a photography. Don't forget to follow me in my social medias, and I'm David Brian Mendez Hernandez. See you in another video. Bye!